Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can join your friends or your connections when they're playing a game on Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. Open up your Roblox application and then you will see your connections or your friends right here. You will see they're online and then you just need to click on the profile and then you can click on join. For example, now one of my friends is playing Fish It, so I can join him. Just click join. Okay, and this one is playing Trust and Press, and I can join, or you can go to the game and you will see your friend online, and then you can click on join connections right here. Okay guys, and that's how you can join your friends when they're playing a game on Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.